taking a loan from the insurance company against the value of any life insurance policy you hold with them. However, this would mean the policy would provide less fund to provide for your family on your death. Mortgages. Mortgages are the most common form of secured loan that you are likely to come across when you are you come to buy a house. It will be more than likely that you will need to borrow money from a bank or building society to pay for it. This is called a mortgages mortgage and will probably be the largest loan you will ever take out. Hire purchase loan. Hire purchase, otherwise known as HP. Don't confuse this with the condiment, or you will spend 6 grand or on brown sauce. Is the term for a form of payment where instead of paying for the product up front, you can take it home and pay it off in installment over a period or a year or so. Basically, the contract allow the buyer to hire the goods for a monthly rent after the final monthly payment has been made. The hire becomes the legal owner of the goods. In other words, the body in your car loan. So you see yourself driving a primed up smart car, but the pennies in your piggy bank will only stretch to a skateboard. Well, car loan or loan from your bank on building society, specially specifically for the purpose of buying something involve wheel as people appreciate car and bike cost more than most people can afford. The lender will decide whether to loan you the cash based on your previous history with them and whether you have been a good boy or girl. In term of previous loan, the bank will have their own rating system for this. The loan is secured on the vessels, and if you don't keep up with the monthly repayment, you can enjoy the sight of your wheel being towed away over the horizon. Homeowner loan. Your house will probably be the biggest asset you will acquire during your life unless you go shopping with posh spice on Rodeo Drive, and you can borrow money against it. Even if you already have a mortgage, these secured loans are often referred to as a homeowner loan, and you will often see them advertised on TV by the like of Carol Waterman. The loan is a second legal charge on the property. In other words, if you lose your house, the mortgage company get first dibs on the proceed, and then the loan will be sorted out with whatever remain. Unfortunately, you may have noticed someone that does not figures in that equation. You the previous owner. Yep, you are on your air, son.